It doesn't matter what you look like, what you wear, or how much money you have. It's more than that. They say if you don't ride, you don't know. And if you don't know now, maybe you never will. It doesn't matter if you go it alone, pair up, or rip through the blacktop with a group. It's here that you'll find the answers to life, laid out in revolutions per minute, in fine-tuned increments of 1,000. From the saddle of this horse, the wind is ever desperate to peel your flesh from its bones. And from the saddle of this horse, the asphalt is ever eager to taste your salted wounds. No direction in mind, no destination. The only question: how many miles will the amount of fuel in my tank get me before I have to stop and fuel up again? A solitary goal to keep the paint up, the rubber down, and your knees in the breeze. The only prevalence in your mind. They say everyone dies, but not everyone lives. Live and let ride, because in the end, death shall triumph.